In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove guests in Google Calendar. Knowing how to manage your calendar efficiently is crucial, and sometimes that means removing guests from an event. Whether it's because of a schedule change or simply the wrong invite, it's important to understand how to adjust your guest list seamlessly. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First off, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in calendar.google.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account details. Once you're logged in, you'll see your calendar populated with your scheduled events. Next, identify the existing event from which you would like to remove guests. Scroll through the calendar until you find the event in question. Click on it to open a small pop-up window, giving you a brief overview of the event details. In the pop-up, you'll notice a pencil icon, which signifies the edit option, usually toward the top. Click on this pencil icon to edit the event. This action will open a new page where you can modify various aspects of the appointment, such as the time, date, and guest list. Speaking of the guest list, you'll want to direct your attention to the right side of the page. Here you will find the guests section. This area displays all the people who are currently invited to this event. It's where you'll manage your guest list to make the necessary adjustments. To remove a guest, simply hover your mouse over the guest's email address. You'll see an X appear next to it. Click on that X to remove the email address from the guest list. This effectively uninvites the individual from your event. Removing guests can be especially useful if plans change or if you've mistakenly invited the wrong person. It helps keep your event organized and relevant to those who need to attend. Once you're satisfied with the changes and have ensured that all the necessary guest removals are complete, it's time to save those changes. Do this by hitting the Save button, usually located towards the top of the page. After saving, Google Calendar will prompt you with an option to send notifications to the guests about the update. This is a handy way to keep everyone in the loop regarding any alterations to the event details. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully removed a guest from your Google Calendar event. This straightforward method helps you maintain control of your scheduling and keeps your calendar clean and relevant. Thank you for joining today's session, and I hope you found this guide useful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to boost your productivity.